Welcome back everyone in another video. Today we're reviewing HubSpot. HubSpot is a well-known all-in-one CRM and marketing automation platform designed for businesses of all sizes. It combines CRM, sales, marketing, service, CMS, and an expanding suite of AI tools, making it a popular choice among startups and scaling companies. You have CRM and Sales Hub, contact management, deal pipelines, task reminders, sale automation, and forecasting. It has a drag-and-drop workflows, email campaigns, forms, landing page, and live chatbots, and Breeze AI to assist with content tasks. Also, there are analytics and reporting tools like dashboards, contact source tracking, limited attribution, which is more in higher tier, and over 1,000 third-party integrations including Salesforce, Airtable, and Zapier. But although it has a high pricing, paid plans escalate quickly. Starter $20 per month, professional $360 per month, and enterprise is much higher. Basic website and landing page tools are limiting, advanced design requires coding. Also, while intuitive overall, some find the interface visually dense and performance sluggish. Attribution and multi-touch reporting are weak at lower tiers. Also, essential tools often gated in higher tiers across different hubs. So, who should use HubSpot? It is great for small to mid-sized businesses seeking an integrated platform. Ideal for companies wanting all-in-one CRM, marketing and sales, and strong pick for teams to open, learning and invest in. So HubSpot delivers a powerful, cohesive toolkit for growing businesses, combining CRM, marketing automation, basic CMS and AI. Its free tier provides a solid foundation, but escalating costs and constraint on advanced features may push mature teams to explore more specialized tools. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.